everyone, good morning. Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation video. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Diva Rahma Novitasari.
I am Febriana Putri Kusandari.
I am Zana Rosyatul Muntika.
We are from Group 4. On this occasion, we will discuss about computers and hardware. As we know, computers have now become an important part of various aspects of our lives, from education, business, to entertainment. Well, in this video, we will explain starting from the definition of a computer, its main functions, to getting to know what hardware is and examples. We hope after watching this video, friends can better understand how important the role of computers and hardware is in daily activities. Okay, without further ado, let's start the discussion from the definition of a computer. A computer is a machine that can perform mathematical operations or logical operations quickly and automatically. Nowadays, computers are understood as digital electronic devices that perform tasks under a series of instructions called programs. Computers have many functions in our daily life. However, in a general sense, computers have four main functions, namely, the first function is input, which is receiving data or information from external sources. The easiest example of this function is information from keyboard typing or mouse clicks. After the data is received through input, the next function is processing. The main function of a computer is to perform processing. What is processed is various kinds of data and information provided by input device. Then the data stored in internal memory will be processed to produce new information that will later be sent to the output device. Furthermore, after being processed, the resulting information will perform the output function. Finally, the last function of a computer is as a place to store information. The information stored can also be distinguished into user data and instruction data. The presence of computers in this modern era may have become a common thing. However, did you know that there are actually three main components of a computer system? Namely, first, hardware. Hardware is the main component in a computer which consists of all the physical hardware that makes up a computer system, such as CPU, monitor, and keyboard. Second, software. Software is a component that has no form, aka invisible, such as operating system and applications. Third, brainware. Different from hardware and software, brainware is a factor that comes from computer device. In this case, the term brainware refers to computer users, namely people who operate computers like all of us.
Introduction. I am Febriana Putri Kusandari. Now we go into the types of computer. There are several types of computer based on their use in group. 1. PC or personal computer. For example, Action Aspire, HP Pavilion, or Dell Inspiron. 2. Server computer. For example, PC used in offices or in school laboratories. 3. Desktop computer. For example, Dell PowerEdge, HP Pavilion, or IBM server. 4. Laptop computer, for example, Asus ZenBook, MacBook Air, Lenovo ThinkPad, and Asus Switch. 5. Hybrid computer type, ChargeArch, Microsoft Server Pro, Lenovo Yoga, and HP Spectre X360. 6. Supercomputer, for example, Fugaku from and Japan and Smith from United States. 7. Mainframe computer, for example, IBM Z series and Unix Clipper. Next, we'll discuss hardware. First, next to understand the definition of hardware. Hardware is a physical element, as are monitor, keyboard, mouse chip, hard drive, and various other components. Hardware is divided in terms to namely internal and external. Internal component function to process and store instruction from programs or OS. Internal component are preferred and are enhances the functionality of the computer, especially when managing input and output. The four main functions of hardware are receive input, providing output, storing data, and function information. 1. Receive input IH receive of input given by devices answer. For example, when you turn on the CPU by function on bit to turn on the computer. 2. Private output, private and series of function or output named by the device occur after receive input. The output will later be given to the arch or I series of software that are integrated with each other. 3. Please to store information and data damage to hardware, such as the card or RAM card device error, because its component function to store and read data. If damaged, the device cannot operate properly. 4. Process information and data. Function data and information. Hardware also function as place to process data and information to the it can be read on your computer screen.
Introducing, I am Zana Rufiatul Muntika. Here, I will explain about the characteristics of hardware and types of hardware. Let's discuss it right away. The characteristic of hardware. First, has a physical form, meaning that this component can be seen and touched directly because it is physically real. The second is generally hard in nature. Hardware is generally hard because, like point number 1, it is physical and can be touched. Examples include keyboards, monitors, and printers. All of these are tools to operate a computer. The third is located on the outside of the computer. Most of the hardware is outside the computer, such as a mouse and monitor. But there are also those that are inside, for example, RAM and CPU. Hardware is very important because all activities on the computer will not work without this hardware. The types of hardware. First, input device. This type serves to input information and data. The data entered can be in the form of video, text, image, audio, and others. For example, a mouse that function to move the cursor and click comments, and keyboard to a text or other comments. The second is output device. This output function to display information on the results of computer processes to user and print the result of data that has been processed. This data is obtained from input devices that have been processed by the computer system. For example, there are printers to print documents to paper and monitors to display text, image, and videos on the screen. The third, processing device. Processing hardware is a device that is useful for processing data or running processes in a computer system. For example, RAM, random access memory, to store temporary data while the computer is working, and CPU, central processing unit, which is called the brain of the computer because it processes all instructions from software and hardware. And finally, there is storage device. This device used to store computer data such as documents, applications, operating system, and various other information needed by the computer. For example, hard disk, which function for storage in large capacity and is permanent, as well as ROM, read-only memory, which is a permanent memory whose contents are not lost even if the computer is turned off.